In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play War Thunder with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The method that I'm going to show you in this video will work as long as everyone is online running the game through Steam. So make sure that the game is up to date, running the latest version on Steam, and when all of your friends open up the game, one of you has to host a squad. So in the main menu over here, before you go into battle, use the squad option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, you will be able to click the friends icon in, look for your friends, and make sure you send them a friend request inside of War Thunder. You will be able to send them a message and even double check their player card to see if you are sending the proper invite. And after they add you to their War Thunder contacts list, you will be able to click this option, Invite to Squad. They will appear under the friends and you will be able to click Invite to Squad. Sadly, I can't demonstrate this process because I don't have anyone else to help me invite to a squad, but as long as you send them a friend requests through the contacts window and you invite them to a squad before queuing up, you will be able to play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play War Thunder with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.